Hey, my lovelies. So, today we're diving into something that's really been trending lately: remote job opportunities, specifically for data entry clerk positions. If you're like me and you've ever wondered if working from home sounds awesome and rewarding like this, then this video is for you. Grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive right in. All right, first thing first, what even is data entry clerk? The title might sound a bit dull, right? But trust me, it's not as boring as it sounds. Basically, a data entry clerk is responsible for imputing and managing data in computer systems. You could be updating customers' information, processing orders, or even maintaining databases. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your home or in vacation or wherever you feel like working that day. Now, let's go through the job page. As you can see, the job post, it shows it's information entry clerk and it's remote. All right. Sometimes you see the city where this job is posted from. In this case, it's Seattle, USA. But do not let that discourage you because when you see the city, some persons might be thinking that they have to live in the city in order to get this job. That's not the case. Here it shows you that it's remote and it's boldly written here remote. This job is full time, okay? And you get paid from $24 to $26 per hour, okay? About us. This job is posted by Paragon SPG LLC. It's a leading technology company that pushes the boundaries of innovation and digital transformation. We are committed to delivering high quality products and services that solve complex business issues and meet the needs of our diverse client base. So, technically, this is a little bit about the company that you will be working with if you get this job. So it's very important that you read a little bit about them to know, their values, their visions, in order for you to align with the company's goals. All right. And the company says, as a globally recognized brand, we are looking for talented individuals who share our commitment to creating a better, more connected world. So if you are this individual, this job might be for you. The opportunity. We have an exciting opportunity for a detailed, oriented, and highly organized information entry clerk to join our team. This role is remote, as you can see, meaning that you can work from anywhere. That said it all, guys. All right. As an information entry clerk, you will support our operations by entry data, maintaining database, and ensuring accuracy of vital company information. This right here has summarized what you're going to be doing as entry clerk. Job responsibilities. Quickly and accurately input data into our database from digital and physical sources. Validate and update records to ensure accuracy and completeness of information. Use software tools and automated systems to expedite the data entry process. Prepare, compile, and sort documents for data entry. Collaborate with team members to meet project deadlines and ensure data uniformity. This is basically your job responsibilities. All right. And moving forward is showing the desired qualifications. Here you have high school diploma or equivalent. Guys, this company is not asking for a arm and leg. It's not asking for a highly qualified individuals. They simply want someone who has high school diploma or equivalent. All right. And then proven experience in data entry or similar role. Excellent knowledge of word processing tools and spreadsheets. Familiarity with office equipment and administrative procedure, and strong attention to detail and problem solving skills, guys. This is the desired qualification required for this particular job posting. And then nice to have. This is preferred, but it's not required. Okay. Experience with remote work, efficiency in MS Office and database software, typing speed and accuracy, familiarity with administrative duties, and excellent interpersonal and communication skill. And great thing about this job is posted 15 hours ago. All right. And with this company, the best part to go about this is if you want to apply, you want to create an account with Zip Recruiter. This is the company. I'm going to put the link on the comment section such that you can click on the link. And then if you don't have account with Zip Recruiter, you just want to quickly create an account and apply through Zip Recruiter. That way, the authenticity of your job application and to the company that you are applying to, it's guaranteed. All right. And you can also take it up a notch to go into Paragon SPG, the poster of this job opening. As you can see, Paragon SPG LLC, they have other jobs as well. Guys, feel free to explore this website. Look at all these are other job openings. This right here, if you have a skill for project management, you can get paid from $40 to $45 per hour. This right here is the one we just talked about, $24 to $26 hourly. All right. Moving forward again, they have another of the same job. This tells you that they're hiring for more than one position for this particular job opening. All right. They also have another one here, the same 24, 26. All right. And this is a quick apply button. You can click on this button and it takes you to the application page. All right, moving down again, they have call center agent. If you're someone who likes talking on phone, you can also grab this job for yourself. This is remote and it pays you $24 to $26 per hour. Guys, you are literally working from the comfort of your home, staying in your PJs, and you are working and earning $24 to $26 per hour. Moving down, we're still seeing a lot of the entry clerk remote job. This right here is the same amount, 24 to 26. This is remote, and they have opening for administrative assistant. If you are someone who is interested in administration, this right here might be the big thing for you. It's still remote and it pays you $24 to $26 per hour. This is call center agent. Talking on phone, you are the go-to person that customers want to call if they have questions and all of that. Look, this is $24 to $26 per hour. They have another opening for administrative assistant remote job, $24 to $26. And the good thing about it is it's remote. All right. The last they have here posted, it's online support representative. All right. This is still remote. $24 to $26 per hour. So tell me, what's stopping you from grabbing any of this job with Paragon SPG? There's nothing should be stopping you. And they have a quick apply button. Just click on this quick apply. It brings you to the Zip Recruiter. Like I told you, this is all about the job description. Nice to have, like we've read, posted 16 hours ago, and you can apply now with your email. All right, my lovelies. So there you have it. a quick overview of data entry clerk jobs and why they will be your next big thing in the world of remote job. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to WellPers TV channel for more awesome videos like this. Got questions or you have comments, experience that you like to share? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and until next time, stay financially empowered.